Baby, do you wanna
Playing Diabetes World, but I have to play as Yada to get fucking mastery.
Let me use my V-mode on him. God damn it! Please let me use my V-mode this time, I'm begging you. Poppy, I'm going to
Shove a tampon down your throat.
I'm just joking, you're my friend.
It's floor 2, you dumb fuck.
Rodger, you don't need a fucking med kit, you're fine.
I'm actually going to shove him in a blender.
You didn't see shit, Rodger. What?
I didn't take no medkit, dumbass.
This Rodger is genuinely so fucking stupid.
He literally admitted that he took the medkit for fuck's sake. Rodger, don't take it, you fat cunt.
I'm going to turn his whole entire family into Kentucky Fried Chicken.
Fucking Rodger left with 2 med kits? What the actual hell?
We are so cool.
Oh, fuck.
That's all. There weren't a lot of funny moments that happened, sadly.
But lesson learned is that Rodger was fucking retarded.
Oh!